The foreign investment spotlight has turned to Tasmania, and that state's premier has welcomed the Chinese move. One of China's biggest investment funds is now looking to invest in the state's prime agricultural land. From Hobart, Lucy Shannon reports.
With the furore over Queensland's massive Cubby station still fresh, the focus today turns south as Chinese investors look to buy up Tasmanian dairy farms.
We've identified significant opportunity for growth, and that growth isn't just not going to happen unless we have a combination of local and foreign investment happening.
Rising costs and tight margins are pushing family farmers out. The Tasmanian Premier was in Beijing last week, where she lobbied the massive China Investment Corp to buy into the state's mining, irrigation and dairy industries.
And I hope that they do. We would very much welcome their investment, because what we know here in Tasmania is that we are resource rich, but we are capital poor. So we do need outside investment to help grow local jobs.
Wayne Swan is also focused on the potential for jobs, but he's keen to appease any concerns.
If there is any proposal that were to come to us about investment in dairy or anywhere else, what the government does is apply our national interest test.
China desperately wants land to grow food for its booming population. The Greens say selling prime Australian land for this purpose is not in the national interest.
The world has changed, with many countries now realising that they can't buy food on the global market and they want to outsource their food production so that they can bring it back to their domestic populations in times of shortages. Now that really distorts the market.
And after rebelling over Cubby Station, National Senate leader Barnaby Joyce was nowhere to be seen today. Shadow Treasurer Joe Hockey didn't seem to have a lot of time for the issue either.
We'll see how that goes. We'll see how it goes through the food process. OK, any other questions? No, thank you.
China Investment Corp executives visited Tasmania's biggest dairy operator, the Van Diemen's Land Company, earlier this month. It's close to finalising equity to double production at its 23 farms, but won't say if the investors are Chinese. Lucy Shannon, Lateline.